Hey guys, this is GridMac1005. Today we're going to do a GoPro test, waterproof test, you can say. Yeah, it's a waterproof test. I don't want this, but I'm doing it. But yeah, this is the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Yeah, Hero 7 Silver. If you want to see, I'll see it right over there. It's a little red already because, I already dumped it and so yeah, it's okay. But if you want to see it actually do it, I'll show you. So once the video of the GoPro actually getting dumped in by the camera by the GoPro, it'll be in this side right here, the video. Okay, just gonna let you guys know that because you might want to see it in the water. That's gonna be cool. Okay, so this is what I want to do it. I am going to do it like this. I'm going to put it right here. Start the recording. Make sure it's in video. Kind of on time lapse. That'll be weird. Now I am going to start right now the test. No, it's not working. Turn it back on. 1 second. This camera does not want to listen to me anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna start now. Now I'm gonna start the video right now. The video has now started. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump it in the water. Remember, if you want to see the video of the GoPro in the water, it'll be around this corner my thumb is. But circle the link to the video of dumping in the water. You ready? I'm gonna leave it in there for like 5 seconds. Okay, that good? Now I'm gonna just for a little bit longer. Okay, it's a little drippy because of the water coming out. But yeah, that's the GoPro. I'll stop the video right here. That's the video of the GoPro. So in my test, it looks like it survived the GoPro test of the water. So it is waterproof. I don't know how long, it says for 30 minutes. But yeah, it's waterproof, definitely waterproof. Mine has still a couple cracks in it. Not cracks, but little chips in the front and a little chip in the grass. It still is waterproof, so yeah. If you want to shake it, because somehow there's water in there. But yeah, it's waterproof. It's totally clear. It's waterproof. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye. If you want to see the video, it's over there. That's just a quick video. Okay, bye.